From Ohio dirt to world-class tracks, some men chase trophies, some men build champions. This is Gary Semics. He came up riding open-class thunder, 500 growling through Midwest rain. From husky red to factory colors, he lined up fearless, racing with pain. When Americans still chased the Europeans, he went head on, heart in his hands. Didn't just ride for his own number, he rode for every up-and-coming man. They said you gotta be tough to survive. He said you gotta be smart to win. He was built to make champions, built to raise the bar. From factory gates to dusty practice tracks, he showed us who we are. Not just faster, but better. Not just strong, but true. Some men win races, some men build the ones who do. From Supercross lights to outdoor fire, learn what speed really means. How to break a corner, hold a line, how to chase perfection in between. Then he took that knowledge, passed it forward, put a stopwatch on a kid's dream. From McGrath to Windham to Villopoto, you can hear his voice in every wind. He didn't just teach how to twist the throttle, he taught how to believe within. He was built to make champions, built to raise the bar. From factory gates to dust to practice tracks, he showed us who we are. Not just faster, but better. Not just strong, but true. Some men win races, some men build the ones who do. When the trophies fade and the numbers change, what's left is what you gave away. Every young kid holding a helmet, every dream that found its way. Legacy ain't written on a podium, it's written in the hearts you move. When they line up knowing they belong there, that's the work of men like you. He was built to make champions, built to raise the bar. From backyard tracks to stadium nights, he shaped a generation's heart. Not just faster, but wiser. Not just tough, but true. Some men win races, some men build the ones who do. From the gate to greatness, from the dirt to destiny, your name's in every champion gear, because you taught us how to